Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Windows 11 updates entirely using group policy, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Windows 11 updates entirely using group policy, begin by pressing the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. This opens the Run dialog box. Type petit.msc into the text field and press Enter. This action opens the local group policy editor. In the left pane, navigate to the following path: Configuration. Expand the Computer Configuration folder. Next, expand the Administrative Templates folder. Locate and click on Windows Components. Within this menu, find and click on Windows Update. In the right pane, look for an option labeled Configure Automatic Updates. Double-click on. In the Settings window, select the disabled option. Click Apply to save the changes. Then, click OK to close the window. Next, return to the Windows Update menu in the left pane. Look for the Turn off Windows Update option. Double-click to open it. Select the enabled option to disable updates entirely. Click Apply and then OK to confirm. To complete the process, close the local group policy editor. Finally, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Your Windows 11 updates will now be disabled. Remember, disabling updates can leave your system vulnerable to security risks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.